It's been a rough couple of weeks for Lance Armstrong. First, the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency released its report on his drug use and recommended he be stripped of his 7 Tour de France titles.
Now several longtime sponsors are pulling back from the disgraced cyclist, including a major Oregon-based company. Earlier in October, the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency announced its findings that Armstrong was involved in, quote, the most sophisticated, professionalized, and successful doping program that sport has ever seen, end quote. That announcement came as part of a conclusion that Armstrong himself had used banned substances. That wipes out 14 years of Armstrong's career, including his record 7 Tour de France titles, and bars him for life from the sport. Tuesday morning, protesters hit the street in Beaverton, outside the headquarters for Nike, calling for the Oregon company to distance itself from Armstrong.
I'm saddened by it because, again, I've been a huge Nike fan forever. I mean, it took me 15 minutes to decide what to wear today because I had to move all my Nike clothes out of the way. This is a guy who did drugs and bullied a lot of people, and Nike's still sticking by him, and I have an issue with that.
Those protesters might have had an effect. Wednesday, the company responded with this statement. Due to the seemingly insurmountable evidence that Lance Armstrong participated in doping and misled Nike for more than a decade, it is with great sadness that we have terminated our contract with him. Nike does not condone the use of illegal performance-enhancing drugs in any manner. Then another major sponsor dropped Armstrong. Bicycle maker Trek released a statement late Wednesday. It says, in part, Trek is disappointed by the findings and conclusions in the USADA report regarding Lance Armstrong. Given the determinations of the report, Trek today is terminating our long-term relationship with Lance Armstrong. Now Armstrong is leaving his position with Livestrong, the charity he founded.
He decided that what would be best is for him to step aside as chairman. He'll continue to serve on our board, but chairmanship will be assumed by local philanthropist Jeff Garvey.
Armstrong retired a year ago and turns 41 next month. He has said that he'll no longer challenge USADA and declined to exercise his last option by entering arbitration.